Hello, welcome to the present. This present moment, and this present moment, it is a gift, and the present is literally gift. When we are in the present, irrespective of whatever it is, it feels liberating. It may be right now, it is beautiful nature, but it may be even a night, and you feel like I feel like fear, oh my god, night alone. But it is so alive when we are totally with the present, with the fear, whatever it is. It is alive. It is because life is who you are. So in the mind stays, when we are in the mind, then we don't feel alive. We are not totally alive. It is like half dreaming, half living. It's kind of dull and burdened, and the present is alive, refreshing, new. Now, I may be walking on the same street uh, every day, but still in the present moment, it is new. These plants are new, and even I am new. This body, my body is new. And not only that, the awareness, the underneath, the one consciousness, it is beyond the concept of old and new and change. Ah, sun. So it is beyond the concept of change. It is, and it is not kind of encapsulated in some box, in some layer. It is free from all those layers. It is ever alive, it is ever fresh. Ah, and it is ever free, like the space. It is space is free, ever pure. Means we cannot pollute space. Yeah, on the surface it may be visible that something is happening, but space from inside, it is like always pure, always it is free. The present moment always makes us free, always. The thing is, am I in the present moment or not? That is the question, nothing else. Am I here or not? I'm totally experiencing this moment as it is or not. In that experience, there is no experiencer as a separate identity. Okay, I am experiencing this plants, then the experience is not total. It is kind of duality. You literally become one, like you jump in a water river and you become one with the river, with the flow. So make it easy. It is to experience totally, live your life totally. Right now it is conscious nature walk, and we can start with half an hour, 1 hour of literally practicing. Okay, fine, for half an hour. Right now I'm walking, so I'll be totally present, step by step. I am totally here and now. I'll not move to somewhere in my mind. Means I'm here, totally here. In that here and now, the mind is not there. There is no layer. Then the aliveness, then the freedom. And not only that, then the wholeness, totality. Means you become, we always want to become more, we want to add more, but in the present you already, you add, like you become whole. We don't have to add one thing, you become whole in the present moment. You become whole nature. Right now I'm in front of nature, so I become the whole nature, and the body disappear as a separate identity. The body become part of the nature. So body become one body, the larger body and the small body, so called me always. I am carrying that self that become part of this larger self. So it's like whole is one. Means we plan our life. I literally, I have, miss, everyone has plans. I will do this and this, and I don't know I will do this or not. But right now, if I'm here totally in the moment. Then it is like these those mind, those things, those layers are not not at all important. this is this is fulfillment. This is fulfillment. And when you are fulfilled in this moment, the next step will arise out of this fulfillment, out of this totality or total wholeness. The next step will be also fulfilling, also total, also powerful, because it has wholeness, it has harmony. So, but we are so worried about the next step for the future. Plan your future, of course, plan your future. But when you are total, when you are living in the present, then you may have some new path. Or if you are repeating the same path as you planned, then you have more freshness, more newness, aliveness, divinity in that same path, in that same flow. Maybe you are repeating same life, but it is refreshing. So this is important. Here and now is important. This totality is important. Merging, melting, dissolving into the present, becoming present, it is important. So you become rich in the present, and then you carry your richness forward, so called in the future. Ah, and if there is nothing, like I'm right now, if I'm not talking, then still I am enjoying this peace. This peace is alive peace. I may be repeating it again, but it is like I'm experiencing it here and now. And this peace is a inner phenomena, means it is formless peace. It is peace which is alive. Remember, it is alive peace. It is not dead and dull peace. It is alive peace, and it is formless peace. It is irrespective of whatever happening, the peace is underneath. So if nothing is happening, if nothing you are saying, doing, expressing, then you enjoy that nothingness, relaxing, resting, and enjoying that rest. That rest is a live rest. That's why in the scriptures, or just try to see the picture of Buddha or Krishna is sleeping, literally sleeping. Then their sleep is like they are alive and they are fully rested at the same time. Even the animals, means the cat and dog, they are nearby, in our surrounding. They are our pet. So we can know it. We can literally that they are fully resting. Their body is so relaxed, so free, and still they are alive. Means they just don't become unconscious totally. And the awakened one, a Buddha, a Krishna, a Jesus, a Lao Tzu, means there are, means we know these names only. There may be many others. So even they rest, even there is nothingness, they enjoy. And the thing I want to say that rest is alive rest. It is not like a dead stone kind of as the human sleep, they rest and they become totally unconscious. They are completely like transported into some other world. And in wholeness, in present, you are resting and you are alive. You are enjoying that rest, that nothingness, that peace, irrespective of form, irrespective of change, irrespective of nothingness, irrespective of darkness. You are fully alive in that darkness, in that spaciousness. And if there are forms, you literally, you become one with the forms. If you choose, of course, you become one with the forms right now, these trees. So it is my conscious practice to become one with these trees and become these trees. And this body is like it is part of this totality. And what I'm sorry guys, what I'm experiencing, this tree, the experiencer is life, and that life is beyond a human form or beyond a fixed object. That life is universal. So that universal life, it it can experience in the form of tree. So you literally become like, in the religious way to say, that you become soul of the tree. Soul of the tree. Many things, means I sometimes I try to figure it out how to say some words which can describe this present moment or this awareness, this witness completely. But I find that it is not possible through words. So my words or anybody words are always, they indicate of course, but they are not, they are not capable of describing. Because when you describe it, it may be love, it may be joy, it may be beauty, it may be God divine, it may be peace, it becomes secondary. Back to the same place where I started. So conscious walking. Now forget I'm saying to myself, I forget what I said. Just let go. When I let go, then only I can be in tune with the present. I can be in tune with the now. So continuously let go, then you can allow the present which is in front of you to experience it totally. So it is like inhaling and exhaling. You don't hold your breath, then it is impossible to inhale, and it is not serve your body. Means It is non-stop on the surface, non-stop continuous flow. And when you flow totally, go totally, experience totally, and let go of the past totally. So it's like every moment you are renewing. Every second is a new second. Every step is a new step. Every step you are a totally new person or new. Even to say person, it is limiting. You are new every step, at every step. So I may right now I have planned what I will do. Normally we plan, okay, I'll go for half an hour walk, then I will do this, my office work, or whatever it is, gardening, maybe your household stuff. But when I am total in this moment, total in every step, carrying that wholeness at every step, new at every step, newness, freshness at every step, let go of the past in every step, then things become mysterious. Means you may do what you have already decided, or you may do something very, very different. Some new insight may come, because now out of wholeness some new path may open, or it may not open. If it is opening, fine. If it is not opening, fine. But it is so fulfilling even if you repeat your same life. So we add quality, divinity, freshness to our life when we are total, when we are present, when we are living moment to moment. So again, forget what I said. I'm saying to myself, and step by step, conscious walking. I'm here total in every step. So you become a boundaryless person. A boundaryless, no boundary, no limitation. No limitation like people are so restricted. The mind identified people, I'm this and that, country, religion, culture, society, and whatnot. But when you are literally, you are a no boundary person, then it feels like you feel connected to sun, to plant, to star, to any ordinary so-called object, a stone, mountain, a river, any human being, every human being, animals, no one is stranger, no one is like apart. Everyone feels, like an aspect of same life, that life which is who you are. This is freedom. And the present is like a door to not only wholeness but to eternity. Means it is eternal. The present moment is eternal. Eternal. And the mind, when we get identified with mind, body, this and that, then there is fear. Fear of change, fear of losing, fear of missing, fear of if someone not recognizing me or not approving me, not appreciating me. Because I'm something, then something has to be decorated. But when we dissolve that something, you become like everything. Everything. So it is like jumping from one prison. It may be very beautiful, so called, but that freedom to that prison to freedom, and that freedom is, it is eternal. At least it is eternally available. I think I'm back to my village right now. I'm here, so at least I can say that after this walk, a conscious walk, I feel so much refreshed, open, recharged. It is like charging your cell phone, recharged. And it is recharging from all levels, means inside and outside, the body also recharged, that now I have by its own something beautiful to offer to this world. Something beautiful. Wow. And the flow, the different kind of flow, means your expression, your way of living, these are just excuses, but your presence is the gift. So embrace the present, this gift, and become the gift. Thank you.